Perfection is not a destination. It's a quiet pursuit. Refinements measured in millimeters. Adjustments no one will ever see, but always feel. It asks for patience, for certainty, for the courage to begin again when almost is still not enough. A creation shaped by care and crafted to endure, to unveil not a machine, but a canvas, to once again redefine perfection.
Rolls-Royce has unveiled the all-new Project Nightingale, its first Coachbuild Collection model, an ultra-exclusive, fully electric two-seat convertible limited to just 100 units worldwide. Inspired by the brand's experimental EX cars of the 1920s in Art Deco design, it combines heritage styling with a modern, minimalist aesthetic and introduces new design principles for future models. The car features a silent electric drivetrain, enabling a serene open-top driving experience. Its design emphasizes long proportions, smooth surfaces, and advanced aerodynamics, while the interior includes the Starlight Breeze lighting system inspired by birdsong, creating a highly immersive luxury environment for two occupants. Project Nightingale is offered by invitation only to select clients, with each car individually coach-built and customizable. It also serves as a development program for future innovations, with deliveries expected to begin in 2028.